DVD navigation without a remote. How?
Hello there. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you need to navigate your DVD player but the remote control is nowhere to be found? Fret not. Today, we'll show you alternative ways to navigate a DVD without the remote control.
Can I really navigate my DVD without a remote?
Yes, absolutely. There are alternative ways to control your DVD player without a remote. The most common method is to use the buttons on the DVD player. Most DVD players come with basic control buttons like play, stop, pause, forward, rewind, and eject. In some cases, there might also be a menu button which allows you to navigate the on-screen menu.
How do I navigate my DVD using the player's buttons?
The process may vary slightly based on the model of your DVD player, but generally, here's how you do it. 1. Turn on your DVD player. This is usually done by pressing the power button located on the front of the player. 2. Insert the DVD. Press the eject button to open the disc tray, place your DVD on the tray, then press the eject button again to close it. 3. Play the DVD. Once the DVD has been recognized, press the play button to start the movie. 4. Navigate the DVD. Use the forward and rewind buttons to skip chapters or rewind scenes. If there's a menu button, you can press it to access the DVD's menu, then use the play button to select options.
What if my DVD player doesn't have these buttons?
If your DVD player doesn't have these buttons or they are not functioning, don't panic. Another option is to use a universal remote control. These are remotes that can be programmed to control a variety of devices, including DVD players. Check the instructions provided with the universal remote to learn how to set it up for your specific DVD player. While it might be a bit inconvenient, you can absolutely navigate a DVD without a remote control. Whether you use the buttons on your DVD player or opt for a universal remote, you're no longer left at the mercy of a missing or broken remote control. Happy watching!